Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website as a custom shortcut icon on your home screen in Motorola Moto G14. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. I'll be using this browser as I'm not sure if it's available for others. Now open whichever website you want to add as a shortcut icon and keep in mind that it needs to be opened during this entire process. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and here select Add to Home Screen. You'll be able to rename your icon however you like, and when it's ready, select Add to Home Screen. Now we can go back and the icon should appear in the last available space. You can click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.